Hello everyone. If you're working with Blender and facing an issue while editing vertices, let's see how you can fix it. Sometimes it happens because of overlapping vertices, and there's an easy fix for that. So I'll show an example here with this mesh here. And if I select a vertex here and try to bevel this vertex around this vertex, I find out that this is only working in one side, but I would like it to bevel in all four sides, and I'm facing this issue here. Well, I can try Control Z, I can try other vertex as well, and I see that if I try to again do some bevel, it's again going into one side. So if you are facing this kind of issue, all you got to do is select the whole mesh and then press M and then merge it by distance, because the issue is happening due to overlapping distance, and well, you got to fix that by pressing M and then merging it by distance. You can also here in this corner you can try to modify the settings according to if you according to the mesh that you are dealing with. Sometimes you have a large overlapping going on. Sometimes it's, you can have a minimal overlapping, and you can just so you can just tweak this this number here in order to find out what works best for you. And well, now deselect everything by pressing somewhere out of the mesh, and then let's select again this vertex here and Shift Control B to bevel. And now we are seeing that it's working as I am hoping it for to do, beveling in all corners here. Well, and Control Z, let's test it to another vertex as well. Shift Control B, yeah. Well, so now you see that now the issue of overlapping vertex has been vertices has been fixed, and hope you learned something by this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching.